Sorry, just saw this. Bro, that is humiliating. You being left on red is a hard red flag. Keep your dignity, don't respond back, and keep it moving. Your second red flag, it's a high Snapchat score. Bro, do you know how many men are entertaining her? What else could you provide to a girl like that other 100+ simps are already giving her? Matter of fact, let me show you something. This is Ricky, and my dude, you need to have discernment out here. So I'm gonna help you out. If you can match up the right Snapchat score to the right girl, I'll give you $100.
So I just have to match on. Is it on you? Let's put it right here.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really Snapchat you.
Number 3, she has a guy best friend, because they're like family. They're like brothers.
I need it so much. Thank you.
Number 4, it's hairy girls, because like, yo, it's unhygienic. Why would you try to normalize an unhygienic trend? Especially for us dudes, you want to stay well groomed down there. The goal should not be to compete with your girl to see who's the hairiest. It should be who's the least hairiest. Number 5, she only talks to you at night. Not when she's active, but when she's winding down, when she's bored. She's giving you her leftovers. So next time you're considering to text her and give her some attention, I want you to do something that's actually valuable. I want you to do freaking 100 push-ups. That's gonna be, actually watch. Yo, Isaiah, how many push-ups can you do?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give you $1 for every push-up you can do unbroken. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25. That's it?
That's it.
I thought I was waiting for a struggle. All right, 25. How do you feel?
Tired? Tight?
Exactly. Yo, here's your $25. Good job. And you do the same. See, well, instead of your reward being money, it's gonna be time saved and gains made. Number 6, she's talking to her ex. Yo, you know damn well there's no way she was sexually active with somebody and now it's platonic. You and I are thinking exactly what they're thinking. It's just not gonna happen. If you're bored, don't go back and text her. Yo, text me. Matter of fact, for this tip, I picked 4 guys from my team and each of them are FaceTiming a random subscriber who they're gonna compete for. Whoever answers the most trivia questions right, not only are we giving them advice, but you're gonna win $1 grand for that subscriber. Cool? Let's do this. Question 1, when buying stocks, you should buy low and sell blank. Alright, that was easy. You got 1. Alright, we're gonna get a little harder. How long is a fortnight? 1 week, 1 month, 2 weeks, 27 days. Juan.
What was it? 27 days?
You're out. Thomas, you're out. Josh. Josh, 2 weeks. He's 2 for 2. A broken clock is still right blank times a day. Once a day, 4 times a day, thrice, or twice.
Twice.
Twice. All right, Juan got it. Last one. How many countries are there in the world? I'll give you multiple choice.
195.
Wait, who gave you that?
My boy.
He Googled it.
Ah, he's Googling that shit, bro.
Hey,
What?
no, he's Googling.
No, he's not Googling it. It's right there.
Say you swear. Who's that, Alexis?
No, Alexis.
Alexis lost.
Who do you have? All right, Josh won.
Sorry, Alexis.
You see, boys, that's what you should call me, your friend, or another friend. But don't go back to your ex.